You're deep in the wilderness, tracking a trophy buck, your heart pounding with anticipation. The perfect shot is moments away, but then your rifle fails you. It's too heavy, too unreliable, or just plain wrong for the job. Every hunter knows the right rifle can make or break your hunt, yet some still make baffling choices that leave them empty-handed and frustrated. In this article, we're exposing the 5 hunting rifles only idiots choose, models that Americans despise for their impracticality, poor performance, or outright absurdity in the field. Save your time, money, and sanity by steering clear of these duds. So ready for the listicle? Let's jump right in the video. Number 5. Weatherby Mark V, a high-end bolt-action rifle known for its sleek design and powerful Weatherby Magnum cartridges. But it's not a favorite for many American hunters. Its reputation for accuracy and durability makes it appealing to some, but its drawbacks often outweigh the benefits for practical hunting. The rifle's premium price tag, often over $1,500, puts it out of reach for budget-conscious hunters, and its specialized cartridges, like the 300 Weatherby Magnum, are expensive and hard to find in rural areas. The Mark V's heavy build, weighing around 8 pounds or more, can be a burden during long treks in the field. While it's marketed as a long-range precision rifle, many hunters find its recoil harsh, especially with Magnum rounds, which can affect follow-up shots. The action is smooth, and the Cerakote finish resists rust, but the stock design feels outdated to some, lacking modern ergonomics. For those hunting big game like elk, the power is undeniable, but for deer or smaller game, it's overkill. Maintenance is also a hassle, as the rifle requires careful cleaning to maintain its performance. American hunters often prefer more versatile, affordable options like the Remington 700 or Tikka T3X, which offer similar accuracy without the Mark V's quirks. Pros: very accurate, strong action, durable Cerakote finish, great for big game, smooth bolt operation. Cons: expensive, over $1,500, heavy, 8+ pounds, harsh recoil, costly and rare ammo, outdated stock design. Number 4. Remington 7600, pump action. A pump-action rifle that's been around for decades, popular in the Northeast for its quick cycling and thick brush. However, it's not a top pick for most American hunters due to its limitations. Designed for fast follow-up shots, it's handy for deer hunting in dense woods, where semi-autos are banned in some states. Its reliability is solid, and it's chambered in common calibers like .306, which are widely available. Weighing about 7.5 pounds, it's manageable to carry, and its simple design is easy to maintain. But the 7600 falls short in accuracy compared to bolt-action rifles, often producing 2 to 3 minute of angle groups, which isn't ideal for shots beyond 150 yards. The pump action can be clunky, especially under stress, and it's prone to jamming if not cleaned regularly. The synthetic stock feels cheap, and the trigger is heavy, affecting precision. For long-range hunting or open terrain, it's a poor choice, as it lacks the power and accuracy of modern rifles. Many hunters also find it outdated, with newer bolt actions like the Ruger American offering better performance for less money. Its niche appeal doesn't justify its $800+ price for most, and Americans often choose more versatile rifles for varied hunting conditions. Pros: fast cycling, reliable, good for thick brush, common calibers, easy to maintain. Cons: poor accuracy, 2 to 3 MOA, clunky action, heavy trigger, cheap stock, outdated for $800 plus. Number 3. Browning Bar, a semi-automatic rifle with a military-inspired design, but it's not a go-to for most American hunters. Based on the World War II bar, it's built for quick follow-up shots, making it popular for hog hunting or situations needing rapid fire. Chambered in calibers like .308 or .306, it delivers decent power, and its 7.5-pound weight is manageable. The gas-operated system reduces recoil, improving comfort, and its detachable magazine allows fast reloading. The bar's sleek look and reliable performance appeal to some, but its flaws make it unpopular. Accuracy is mediocre, often 1.5 to 2 minutes of angle, which isn't great for precision shots past 200 yards. The complex design is hard to clean, and field stripping is a chore. At $1,200 or more, it's pricey for what it offers, especially compared to bolt actions like the Bergara B14. The semi-auto mechanism can jam in wet or dirty conditions, a big issue for backcountry hunts. Many states also restrict semi-autos for hunting, limiting its use. American hunters often prefer simpler, more accurate rifles, finding the bar's military roots impractical for most game. Its niche role doesn't outweigh its cost and maintenance headaches. Pros: quick follow-up shots, reduced recoil, reliable magazine, good for hogs, sleek design. Cons: mediocre accuracy, 1.5 to 2 minutes of angle, hard to clean, expensive, $1,200 plus, jams in bad weather, restricted in some states. Number 2. Mosin Nagant. A World War II-era bolt-action rifle that some hunters use due to its low cost, but it's widely disliked for modern hunting in America. Priced as low as $200, it's a budget option, and its 7.62 by 5.4R cartridge packs enough power for deer or even elk at close range. Its rugged design can withstand harsh conditions, making it appealing for rough hunts. The rifle's historical charm and availability of surplus ammo attract male SERP fans, and with modifications, it can achieve 0.75 minute of angle accuracy. But the Mosin's drawbacks are glaring. Its long, heavy barrel, over 8 pounds, is cumbersome, and the bolt action is sticky, slowing follow-up shots. Factory triggers are awful, often requiring aftermarket fixes. Most surplus rifles have worn bores, leading to inconsistent accuracy, 2 to 4 minutes of angle. The wooden stock is bulky, and mounting a modern scope is tricky without modifications. Recoil is sharp, and surplus ammo is corrosive, demanding immediate cleaning. For ethical long-range hunting, it's a poor choice, as it lacks the precision of rifles like the Savage 110. American hunters see it as a novelty, not a serious hunting tool, preferring modern rifles for reliability and ease of use. Pros: cheap, $200, powerful cartridge, rugged, historical charm, modifiable for accuracy. Cons: heavy, 8+ pounds, sticky bolt, poor trigger, inconsistent accuracy, hard to scope. Number 1. AR-15-223 Remington. The AR-15 in .223. Remington is a semi-automatic rifle loved for tactical use, but often criticized as a hunting rifle, making it the top pick for this list of poor choices. Its lightweight build, around 6.5 pounds, and modular design make it easy to carry and customize. The .223 round is cheap and great for varmints like coyotes, with low recoil for new hunters. Fast follow-up shots and large magazine capacity appeal to some, and its accuracy, 1 minute of angle with good ammo, is solid for short ranges. But for big game like deer, the .223 lacks stopping power, and many states ban it for ethical reasons. The semi-auto action is noisy, potentially spooking game, and it's prone to jams in muddy or dusty conditions. At $600 to $1,000, it's not cheap, yet it's less versatile than bolt actions like the Tikka T3X for hunting. The tactical look turns off traditional hunters, and battery-dependent optics are a liability in the field. While rechambering to .308 or .450 Bushmaster helps, the base .223 model is a poor fit for most hunts. Americans prefer rifles designed for hunting, not combat, making the AR-15 a controversial and often hated choice. Pros: lightweight, 6.5 pounds, accurate, 1 minute of angle, low recoil, customizable, fast shots. Cons: weak for big game, noisy action, jams easily, tactical look, restricted in some states.